Welcome to High Speed Hotshot Weekly, where once a week I give you a quick 2-minute clip from my 2 video trainings that I've created to show you how to start a hotshot trucking business, how to operate a successful hotshot business day in and day out, and dispatch for yourself, which means learning how to find your own loads and being on the road as much or as little as you'd like and earning as much money as you'd like. I've created over 70 videos on my YouTube channel showing you exactly how I moved on the road and how much money I made every week. High Speed Hotshot Weekly is a weekly glimpse into exactly how I did it. Enjoy. I'm going to jump into load capacity and max load weight. I've spoken about this topic many times because it's really important. I do want to give you the steps as to how you can figure out your own weight capacity. So you want to go to a CAT scale at a truck stop somewhere. It's CAT. It's a yellow sign, has an outline of a black cat. Google it. I'm sure you'll find one near you. You want to go to a CAT scale. You want to pull up to the CAT scale, and before you pull up, actually, you want to fill your truck with fuel. Fill it with diesel to the top so you get a real reading. You want to be towing your empty trailer, but in your toolbox of your trailer and in your truck itself, you want to have everything you would normally have to go out on the road. Your bed, your tools, your chains, binders, straps, everything, your breaker bar, everything you would normally take on the road, you want to have on the truck like you're about to go pick up a load. You go to a CAT scale, you pull up on the scale, you push the button, and they're going to say first weigh or second weigh, or first weigh or reweigh. And you're going to say first weigh. They're going to weigh your truck, then they're going to say, okay, you're fine. Then you're going to pull off the scale, park somewhere off to the side, go into the service station, and you're going to pay about $15 for them to give you a printout of the weight of your truck and trailer the way it was on the scale. Now, this is important because your number in your mind is 26,000 pounds is my max. Whatever the paperwork says, whatever that receipt says that your weight is, subtract that from 26,000 pounds, and that's how you come to the max load amount that you can haul. That's whatever that number is after doing that simple math. That's the max weight of any 1 or 2, 3, 4, 10 partials that you have. The max you can have on that trailer is whatever the answer is to that simple math. So I hope this 2-minute clip was helpful for you. If you'd like to watch the other 35 lessons in the Ready, Set, Prepare video training or the other 75 lessons in the Money, Money, Money video training, you can either click the link in the description section below. Here's 2 ways to get to that. Or you can Google Hotshot Training or hotshottraining.com to get to my website. Or you can simply shoot me an email and I'll send you the link to my website. Also, feel free to shoot me an email with any startup questions you have, or if you'd like 30 days of free Loadboard access, or if you want to connect with the ELD factoring company, fuel cards, or supplies that I've used since day one. This is all my way of saving you time, money, and frustration as you start your hotshot trucking business. I remember what it was like getting started with nobody to help. Check out my free 7-part video training called Before You Buy a Truck to help you understand how the business works. A piece of advice though, be sure to watch other hotshot trucking channels to learn more about commercial insurance prices, current load rates, laws, and other things that change daily in this business. Because having owned, bought, and sold multiple businesses over my life, I know one thing: if you're going to be a successful business owner, it's up to you to stay on top of things. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week on High Speed Hotshot Weekly.